The spa is an incredible place to relax and unwind. We love it for distressing and taking care of your mental state. But the problem with the spa is that it can be quite pricey. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Declutter your space. One of the things that'll help you create a spa-like atmosphere is decluttering your space. Keeping things tidy, removing bulky items, and placing them in storage containers or baskets can all help your bathroom appear neater. Keeping your bathroom essentials at hand and everything else neatly tucked away will help maintain a relaxing atmosphere. Use clear glass jars to store cotton balls on the countertop, or use a wicker basket to display hand towels. Get creative with decorative storage items that will aid in decorating the room. Choose calming colors. A bathroom is used to relax and unwind, so stick to colors that are calming, soothing, and won't create a busy atmosphere. Neutral colors such as white, beige, or grays are great for creating a soothing and welcoming environment. Make small adjustments in your bathroom, such as changing your lighting or your shower head. A rain shower can be just the thing you need to create a relaxing feeling to your bathroom. Use plants and greenery to make your bathroom feel more like a spa. Bamboo is a great traditional accent that can be found at most spas. Try filling a vase with fresh flowers, hanging a potted plant from the ceiling, or setting potted plants around the bathroom to embrace natural elements. You can even use stones to help accent your bathroom and create that spa-like touch. Use white towels for decoration. When you're at the spa, you're surrounded by white towels and robes. Indulge yourself in comfy warm towels by tossing out your old bath mats and towels and upgrading to new fresh ones. Want to take your home spa to the next level? Purchase a towel warmer for your bathroom so you can enjoy fresh heated towels right at home. Add relaxing candles and scents to help you unwind. The spa always smells amazing, and calming accents invoke emotions, boosting relaxation and relieving stress. Essential oils, scented soaps, as well as a lotion are great for calming the spirit and helping you to relax. Consider scents like lavender, jasmine, or vanilla for a calming effect and a more relaxing atmosphere. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one.